This free tool will let you publish your entire website just by drag and drop without even sign up or login. So if you have created a website using AI, still haven't done yet, or you have a website template from anywhere and you want to publish it on the internet to show it to your client, to your friend, or whatever the reason is, you can use this free tool to publish it on the internet. So for the sake of this video, I have this simple HTML website. This is just one file, but again you can upload an entire zip file or a folder to this website. So I'll just drag and drop it here. We'll accept the conditions. Now this will take a minute. Now uploading files. One file found and uploaded. Done. Now making your site fast everywhere. So this will now reach to 18 regions that you can see worldwide. Finishing up. And done. Your website is now live. Now I can simply copy this link. Let's open up a new tab. We'll paste it here. Hit enter. And that's it. This is our website. Now this is just a generic website just to show you, but this is how this tool works. Okay. So again, this is a drop from Cloudflare where you can publish your websites for free. Now we can easily lose this website anytime because this is just a temporary link. And to avoid that, we can claim this website for this time inside our Cloudflare account. So to claim it, just click claim. And then sign in to your Cloudflare account. If you don't have one, just click sign up. And create an account using your Gmail, Apple or GitHub, or use your email. Verify you are human and sign up. Let's choose a strong password and sign up. And this is our website. This is just a generic name that we can change. One more time, let's click on claim. We'll use my same account here and confirm. And something went wrong. I have to verify my email first. So let's click verify email. Let's go back to our website. We'll click claim. Again, another temporary name. Let's click claim. We'll choose my account and confirm. And that worked. So your site is now live. We can add a domain to it, we can control access of it, we can enable observability and markdown for agents and all. And that's pretty much it. So again, this was dropped from Cloudflare where you can publish your entire website absolutely for free. Now how you can generate an awesome looking website using Cloud Code, that will be in my next video. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.